Racing just is started. We have Salin Lahi. Break quickly to start. Ako ngayon, rushing up on the outside. Si Kuda, Joel's Choice. Then comes Sugar Glaze. Boss G Raon comes next. Moralia, Stay at Home. Ma'am Lucky Lorky. Salim is down on the inside. Then comes Potpot's Love. While Wanderleb is the early trailer by about 16 lengths of the leader. And as they swing down the back, we have ako ngayon by a length and a half. Salin Lai in second as Sikuda is racing in third. Rushing up now on the outside is Boss G. Then comes number 12, Joel's Choice, Sugar Glaze Raon. Then down on the inside is Stay at Home, Ma'am. And on the outside, Moralia. Then comes Salim, Lucky Lorky, Potpot's Love, while Wanderleb is still racing in 13th. Last 400 meters of the race, we have Boss G moving up now on the outside, and I was saying it's my turn to take the lead. We have Boss G. Sikuda is running by Derela ko ngayon. Raon is on the outside fourth as they swing for home. Boss G by a length and a half. Sikuda moving up now on the outside is Raon. We have Boss G, but now by Raon on the outside, but it's still Boss G. And finally, Boss G, Raon, Sikuda. Ako ngayon, Salim, then comes Lucky Lorky for your Super 6.
5-9-13, 8-2-4 ang